If you have an Instant Pot, you probably already know that one of its functions is doubling as a rice cooker. It's written right there on the Instant Pot. Rice. But did you know that the Instant Pot comes with an absolute foolproof way of making rice? Never again will you have to do calculations or wonder if you're adding the right amount of rice to liquid. It's all right there, and today I'm going to show you the Instant Pot's secret for making perfect rice. So there's actually two aspects to the Instant Pot that work together for foolproof rice. The first is this. This is the little plastic cup that came with your Instant Pot. And this is actually a rice measuring cup. Yes, this cup is specifically for measuring rice. And it works in conjunction with the second trait of your Instant Pot. That's on the inside. Let me show you. So, do you see right here where it says cup? That works in conjunction with the little cup for measuring rice, and it tells you exactly how much liquid to add. Okay, so here's how it works. For every cup of rice, you would fill with water or whatever liquid you're using to the corresponding line of the Instant Pot. So for example, if you did 2 cups of rice in this, you would fill to the number 2 line in your Instant Pot. If you did 3 cups, it'd be to the 3rd line. If you did 4 cups, it would be to the 4th line, and so on. So let me show you an example of how it is in action. Okay, so for this example, let's say I'm going to make 4 cups of rice. So I would scoop out 4 cups. And you just want it to be, kind of flush to the top. And then dump each cup into the Instant Pot. And here is 4. Great. So we did 4 cups of rice in this. Now all we have to do is fill with water to the number 4 line. So here I'm using some filtered water. And you just fill until it reaches the number 4 line. It's as easy as that. From here, you might want to add, I like to add a little bit of salt. Sometimes I do some vinegar as well, but that's all you need to do. Now it's as easy as putting on your lid and starting your Instant Pot. For white rice, you could just hit the rice button, but I actually prefer to do mine for 11 minutes when I'm cooking white rice. That just what seems to work best for me. So I've set my Instant Pot and I'm gonna let it do the rest. Okay, I can already hear you wondering about 2 things. The first you may be wondering is, does this only work for white rice? No. This cup and that ratio works for white rice, brown rice, wild rice, anything. That's great. So it doesn't matter what kind of rice you're using. The ratio and this method works the same. Okay, here's the second thing you might be thinking. Oh crap, I tossed this thing a long time ago, or I don't even know where this is. That's all right, no worries. So this cup is actually the equivalent of 3/4 of 1 cup. It's not quite 1 cup. It's not quite a full cup. It's 3/4 of a cup. That means that if you don't have one of these, but you have a 1 cup measuring cup, and most people do, you can just fill it 3/4 of the way full. Or if you make rice as much as I do, you can also buy a nicer stainless steel rice measuring cup like this one. I got this at Daiso. That's a Japanese market near my house. You can also order them online. They're super cheap. They're probably going to cost $5 or less. And they are just a dedicated 3/4 of a cup rice measuring cup. Okay, as a bonus, I'm going to give you one other tip. If you have a dedicated rice cooker, guess what? It more than likely has the same line and works the same way as the Instant Pot. Let me show you. So this is one of my rice cookers, and check it out. Inside, you will find the same thing. You will find that cup line, just like you found in the Instant Pot, and it works the same way. For every cup of rice, you fill it to the coordinating cup line with liquid, usually water. And just like with the Instant Pot, with a rice cooker, you would use the same method, using this rice cooker cup, and then just measure to the coordinating line of however many cups of rice that you put in. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick tip on making foolproof rice in your Instant Pot. Please give it a try. Let me know how it goes. If you have any questions or comments, put those below, and I will see you next time on I Want to Cook.